In this video lesson, you'll discover what the cold-warm contrast is about and how to use it in watercolor painting.
Orange is an undisputedly warm colour. I fill in some of the boxes with the cadmium orange paint. Let's now see how turquoise blue paint swatch looks between two orange boxes. It appears very cold when surrounded by warm colours. I will apply 2 swatches of carmine paint. This colour is located on the warm side of the colour circle. Next to the first swatch, I paint warmer colours, such as orange and red. In comparison to its neighbours, the carmine paint swatch has a cold colour. However, when a rose-violet swatch is placed next to the cold blue colours, its temperature is undoubtedly warm. Here's yet another example, this time for the yellow colour. Next to warmer yellow, orange and red, the pure yellow colour looks cold. But when it is placed next to yellow-green, green and blue, this yellow colour is considered to be warm.